Hey y'all, Todd with Industrial Comfort. I love wearing cowboy boots. The problem is, the older I get, the harder it is to bend down and wrestle these suckers off. That's where the boot jack comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how to both use and make a boot jack. And your life of wearing cowboy boots is about to get that much easier. So let's get her done. A boot jack is a simple yet ingenious little device that allows you to remove your boots without using your hands. Let me demonstrate. Wow. That's how easy it is. I put 3 coats of boiled linseed oil and it created just a really smooth, nice finish. I'm really happy with how this came out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.